Here are the directions for Florida Virtual School Read Aloud. So when you come to this slide, you can look here for the directions for use. Open Schoology. Go to your Schoology. One way is to type in mnps.schoology.com. When you get to your Schoology page, you'll go to your English class. So under Courses, you find Class. We don't have that here as a choice, so I'm going to go into a Sandbox course, just an example. Then it says to open your lesson for 1.02 poetry. So you should have, it's going to be in your week 2, and you look down here to 1.02 poetry. Okay, when you open that, then you can click on this link for the read aloud. So I'll do that now. And here's a YouTube link. When I open up the YouTube link,
Module 1, Live, Love, Laugh.
And it will start reading to you. So I suggest that you minimize this one. This screen, you can minimize the screen, and as you're listening to the YouTube video, you'll be working through your lesson.
Is interior to life, posterior to death, initial of creation, and the exponent of breath.
Emily Dickinson. I'm going to click Next.
Select the colored words for more information. Love. The words love and life are alliterative. Anterior before at the beginning.
So this is the way you can listen to your Florida Virtual School lesson and read along. Enjoy.